Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot Note 9. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you've got access to your payments cards. And also you can add different types of cards like transit pass, loyalty card and gift card. Also, you've got wallet tips. If you go here, you've got access to wallet tips. Tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. Full list of participating banks. And password manager. Next, you can manage your data in wallet like payments data and passes data. And in wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you've got access to help and feedback and your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.